Imagine stepping into a warm embrace that's an Argentinian wedding. It's a vibrant explosion of joy with music swirling and laughter ringing out. More than a party, it's a heartfelt celebration of love and family. These gatherings are woven into Argentina's cultural fabric. Each moment is meaningful from the first glance to the final dance. It's a journey for the couple and everyone who loves them. Starting a new chapter surrounded by blessings and excitement. The energy is electric, full of anticipation. Friends and family gather from near and far, sharing happiness. There's a strong sense of community and belonging. Old traditions blend with modern touches, creating something uniquely Argentinian. So, come with me, let's explore the magic of these celebrations. We'll discover cherished rituals, delicious food, and passionate music. And see why these weddings mean so much. Argentinian weddings are a true feast for the soul. A beautiful expression of enduring love. Every detail, every smile, every dance step tells a story. It's not just a day, it's a memory for a lifetime. Let's step inside and experience it together. The celebration is just beginning. The journey to I do begins quietly with a private decision. The couple shares their news with family whose blessing means everything. In Argentina, family is at the heart of every union. Instead of grand proposals, it's about heartfelt understanding. Next comes the cena de compromiso, the engagement dinner. Both families meet, sharing food stories and laughter. Parents offer blessings, weaving two families together. It's a tradition of unity and respect. Then comes the practical side, the civil ceremony. This legally binds the couple, often before the big celebration. Sometimes it's a simple registry affair, sometimes festive. These pre-wedding moments build a strong foundation. Respect for family and tradition is key. Each step brings the couple closer to their big day. Anticipation grows with every event. It's a period filled with love and support. The community's embrace is ever present. These rituals set the tone for the wedding. They're about more than paperwork, they're about connection. And soon, the real celebration begins. The wedding day arrives, brimming with emotion. Ceremonies often take place in beautiful historic churches. The atmosphere is reverent yet joyful. Some couples choose a civil ceremony in a garden or hall. Either way, it's a deeply significant moment. The groom waits at the altar, anticipation in the air. All eyes turn as the bride enters, often on her father's arm. The music swells, hearts are full, vows are exchanged, traditional or personal, always heartfelt. Rings are given, symbolizing unending love. The moment touches everyone present. Catholic ceremonies may include a full mass, with prayers and blessings. Civil ceremonies focus on legal declarations, but are just as meaningful. Witnesses sign, making the union official. It's the true beginning of married life. Every gesture, every word is filled with meaning. The ceremony is a bridge between past and future. It's a celebration of love, witnessed by all. And with that, the festivities truly begin. Argentinian weddings are rich with meaningful rituals. One is the lazo, a large rosary or cord draped around the couple's shoulders. Shaped like an infinity symbol, it represents unity and God's blessing. Another tradition, the arras, 13 gold coins the groom gives the bride. It's a promise to share and provide, her acceptance a sign of trust. These exchanges are full of history and symbolism. Some couples add the unity candle ceremony. Each lights a taper, then together light a central candle, two lives joining as one. These rituals add depth and reflection to the ceremony. Guests watch with respect, understanding the heritage. Each symbol tells a story of love and commitment. They connect the couple to generations before them. Even new traditions find a place, blending old and new. The meaning behind each act is profound. It's not just for show, it's about connection. These moments linger in memory long after the day. They make the wedding truly unforgettable. Every ritual is a thread in the tapestry of love. Together, they create something lasting. That's the magic of Argentinian wedding traditions. After the vows, it's time for the fiesta. Argentinian receptions are legendary. They're vibrant, energetic, and last well into the morning. Venues range from city salons to countryside estancias. The food is a star magnificent asado, succulent steaks, sausages, ribs, picadas, platters of cheeses, meats, olives, empanadas abound. Malbec wine flows freely and sharing is key. Music and dancing are the heartbeats of the party, from folk to cumbia, reggaeton, and the dramatic tango. The couple's first dance is special, but soon everyone joins in. The dance floor stays packed all night. The atmosphere is infectious, full of warmth and camaraderie. It's about celebrating community and connection. An Argentinian wedding reception is truly unforgettable. Argentinian wedding traditions are more than fun. They're full of meaning. Throwing rice at the newlyweds symbolizes prosperity and fertility. The bouquet toss is a hopeful, playful tradition for single guests. Whoever catches it is said to be next to marry. The cintas is uniquely Argentinian. Ribbons hidden in the cake, each with a charm. One ribbon has a tiny ring. The finder is the next bride. Later, the carnival karaoke brings a burst of festive energy. Guests don hats and masks, colorful boas with confetti and streamers everywhere. It's a party within the party, pure joy. These traditions connect the present to cherished pastimes. They add layers of joy and meaning. Every ritual is a wish for happiness, and every guest becomes part of the story. Argentinian wedding customs echo celebrations around the world. Carnival karaoke, for example, is like a second-line parade. Joy that keeps going. These traditions endure because they connect generations. They honor heritage and offer stability in a changing world. Weddings are monumental for families, reinforcing bonds and community. It's more than a couple's day. It's a celebration of identity. Each ritual, song and meal deepens the experience. Argentinian weddings are vibrant tapestries of love and history. The celebration lingers long after the last song. It's a dance of tradition and joy that stays in your heart.